MeghalayaPost.news.
Apakran halor ka jingsngan kipat ba hakalay kawan leng baka Surokbah National Highway ka jala nadu narata cira syadu sa Jeroban Hariboy District UMLA kanong po ba Mayralborn si mula penpau baladon kam bandan ki Jaka Ïeng Trok harut ka surong parking bay kanang baka ni kanira banlan na sibun ki jingja bas ngosi ya kipat ba balit bawan leng baka Surokbah National Highway ya kani kapang la penpau do ba Mayralborn si UMLA kanong po hak Dorbar mang tingka leng baka Governor's Address baula penpau baka long sisya ka badan kam ya kitrong bakin yang hagi Jaka babyang kanang bansungan kipat ba balit bawan leng ba ka Surokbah habakran halor kini kapang ulapan kemaru badang syan bun ki kena skul kilaman sa hadian bakwai katrong kalalit tenra akan san ya ka bos skul hakat pramer bad banatnya kum kini ki jingja bas ngosi ladon kam bakitrok kindon ya kita Jaka Ïeng harut ka Surokbah kum UMLA ulapan pauru akmat ka sorkar baladon kam bakan kuran sa ka Ministry of National Highway bat siya ka sorkar pedeng mantau kilat kilentina ka bentaban donno kita ki Jaka Ïeng jong kitrong ki banombu jingma ya ki kalipat ba ni kipat ba balit bawan leng ba ki Surokbah susu ulaban rap ru bun kitrok kibaya hakani ke Surokbah kidi kibuan na keleng ki jela ba teng ki don kamban syong tan henroi na marbo omdon ka Jaka Ïeng ka babyang ki haban yang harut ka Surok National Highway ba teng kimi pat ki jingja ba ngosi ya kipat ba.
With regards to highways, it is of recent incident that has happened where one truck collided with one school bus in 18 mile before reaching Birmingham, where one student succumbed to injury and various injured. Preliminary report that we have received is that the truck, after traveling a long journey, be it from Mizoram, Agartala, Barakbali of Assam through Meghalaya. One of very important issues that we need on the highway is the parking bay. Because the truck, after traveling long, the tire get heated, it get burst, and there is a tendency to collide. So they need to rest. So the government should look into speaking with the Ministry of Highways and Surface Transport, Government of India, for having a parking bay for all the trucks plying through a state in these highways, right from Ratachera till Jeroban, to ensure the safety of the commuters along this route.
MeghalayaPost.news.